Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about the function substitute. Now, let's see what substitute function do. Okay, this function replaces a specified piece of text with a different piece of text. Basically, it's replacing a part of text. It can either replace all occurrences of the text or a specific instance. That means if the desired text which we want to replace, if you want to replace only once or the second instance or third time it is repeated, so we can replace that particular instance in the syntax. I'll explain you while doing the practical formula. Okay, and note that this function is case sensitive. That means RAM with R capital is not equals to RAM with all small letters RAM. Okay, so the formula is case sensitive. Okay, let's look into the look at an example. Okay, here we have sales areas. So we have given as Bangalore area, Chennai area, Mysore area, Hyderabad area, and Kochi area. Now, instead of area, we want as region. So instead of Bangalore area should be Bangalore region. Chennai area should be replaced with Chennai region. Now, let's see how we can do this with the function substitute. So I'll put equals to substitute, open bracket, the text where which we need to replace from. So we'll pick the text and the old text is area. Yeah, so I put area and D, so I'll just select this, replace area with, so replacing text we have to select which is in E5, so I say E5, and instance number, it's a optional. Right now we will not use, I'll use in another example. So here we'll just close the bracket, enter. Now Bangalore area has changed to Bangalore region. We'll copy this and put it in other. Similarly, the Chennai area has become Chennai region, Mysore area has become Mysore region, Hyderabad, Hyderabad region, and Kochi area, Kochi region. Okay, now we'll see with instance. Now, here in this example, sales area, the Bangalore area we have divided into north, south, west, east, and central. Well, here the text is Bangalore area, comma north area, Bangalore area, comma south area. So we want the second instance, the second time when area is coming, to be replaced with region. That means Bangalore area, north region, Bangalore area, south region. So how do we do that? So I'll put equals to substitute, open bracket, the text, this text has to be replaced. The old text is area and the region is the new text is region, and here instance number, that means uh, this is first instance area, second time when the area comes, that has to be replaced. So I'll put comma second instance, replace the second one, retain the first one. So I'll just close. Now you see Bangalore area, north region, it has replaced the second instance. Suppose we want to change as Bangalore region, north area, then the instance would be first one. Okay, Bangalore region, north area. And we put 2, that means second instance. Second time when it is coming. Text. So I'll just fill the text and we see it has changed again. Bangalore area, south region, Bangalore area, west region, Bangalore area, east region, Bangalore area, central region. This is how we will use substitute function. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.